Intro, the wake-up call, 0 to 1:30. Narrator, let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt in control of your money? Quick cut to dramatic close-up of unpaid bills and a drained bank account. You're not alone. 64% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, and most don't even know where their money is going. But here's the truth most people will never tell you. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about habits. And the earlier you start, the faster your money starts working for you. Sound familiar? Good. Because today, you're going to change that. Welcome to the Wealth Path, your beginner's guide to managing personal finances and finally taking control of your life. Act 1. The awareness. Know where you stand. Step 1. Get real with your numbers. You can't fix what you don't measure. Screen. Show a money snapshot template. Income, expenses, debts, savings. List everything. Yes, even that $7 latte addiction. Because knowing your net worth, even if it's negative, is the first step to building real wealth. And most people avoid this step because they're scared of what they'll find. But ask yourself, what's scarier, looking now or waking up at 35 with nothing but regret? Your latte is not the villain. Your ignorance is. Once you know where your money's going, it's time to tell it where to go. That brings us to step 2. Act 2. The plan. Master the budget. Budgeting isn't a prison, it's a plan for freedom. The simplest place to start is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% towards savings or debt. Imagine this. Every dollar you spend has a job. You're the boss now. Do I need this $300 pair of sneakers? Or do I want to retire before 65? A budget shows you the leaks, but now you need to build the boat. Let's talk savings. Act 3. The action. Automate and save. 4:30 to 6 o'clock. Narrator. Step 3. Automate your savings. Because self-discipline is overrated, but auto-transfer isn't. Show. Bank apps, recurring transfers, pay yourself first method. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Make saving invisible. Out of sight, into wealth. Urgency trigger. Start now, because every dollar saved in your 20s is worth 5 to 10 times more than in your 30s. Waiting even a year costs thousands down the line. Cliffhanger. And if you're wondering just how powerful early saving is, well, we'll get to that. Transition. But savings alone isn't enough. You've got to prepare for life's curveballs. Bonus step. Emergency fund and credit power. 6 o'clock to 7:30. Narrator. Step 4. Build your emergency fund. Life doesn't ask permission before it throws chaos at you. Show. Flat tires, job loss, medical bills. Start with just $500. Then build to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your financial armor. Cut to credit score animation. And while we're here, don't ignore your credit score. It's not just a number. It's the gatekeeper to future opportunities. Homes, cars, loans. Pattern interrupt. Whispered voice. And yes, even dating apps look at it now. Transition. Now you've got control. Let's make your money work for you. Act 3. Momentum. Build the wealth engine. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Narrator. Step 5. Start investing. Even if it's just $5 a week. Because time is the real moneymaker. Emotional trigger. Excitement plus fear of missing out. Think about it. Someone who starts investing at 20 with just $100 a month could retire with over $500,000, even if they stop at 30. That's the power of compound interest. Cliffhanger setup. Want to see how that works? I'll show you in a moment. Show. App interfaces like Fidelity, Robinhood, or M1 Finance. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. You need to start. Invest in index funds, track your growth, and stay consistent. Transition. So let's wrap this up, because your new life is about to begin. Outro. The path forward. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Narrator. Inspiring tone. You started this video wanting to manage your money. You're leaving with a roadmap to control your future. Show steps on screen. Know, budget,